Welcome to today's striking and fielding game, Kwik Cricket. In this game, you'll need a bat, a ball, some stumps, a hoop and some cones per pitch. Each pitch will be divided into two teams, the batting team and the fielding team. The bowler underarm bowls the ball to the batter, who hits it out into the field. The batter then runs between the wicket and the batting square as many times as they can until the fielders return the ball back to the hoop. Each time the batter makes it to the wicket and back, they get 1 point. They also have an opportunity to get some bonus points if they hit it through the boundary. There are no outs in this game, so the batter keeps going until the fielders return the ball back to the bowler's hoop. Rotate batters and fielders after one bat for an inning. Have about 2 to 3 innings depending on time that you have available. Here are some adaptations for you to consider. We hope you enjoyed today's game and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.